Welcome back, Crammers, to question 21. A bag contains only pink, white, green, and red sweets. The table gives each of the probabilities that when a sweet is taken at random from the bag, the sweet will be green or the sweet will be red. Pink and white are not given. The ratio of number of pink sweets to the number of white sweets are already given. So we can deduct this as 1 whole is 1. And if we're able to subtract the probability of green and red, we'll find the probability of pink and white. So 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.35. That's the same as 1 minus 0.55. So we're left with 0.45. Now, if we can find the sum of the ratios, which is 3, we can then divide this by 3 and multiply it by the value we desire. So we have here, okay, 0.45 divided by 3 is 0.15. 0.15 times 1 is our number of white sweets. So 0.15 times 1 is just 0.15. And 0.15 times 2 is 0.30. Now that we have the probabilities, we can see that 28 red sweets is equivalent to 0.35. Work out the number of white sweets in the bag. So we have 28 red sweets is equivalent to 0.35. Now, to find the number of white sweets, we don't know how many white sweets this gives us, but we know the probability is 0.15. We can multiply both sides by 0.15. This cancels out times 0.15. And we have x is equal to 28 divided by 0.35 times 0.15. And we can use our calculator. We have 28 divided by 0.35, which is then multiplied by 0.15, which gives us 12. In total, there are 12 white sweets in the bag. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.